Hello everybody, Toby here again with 216 Auto Restoration and my 1966 Corvair, Chevy Corvair. I actually picked this up a few years ago, or bought it a few years ago from a friend, Joe. And it's been sitting up in his shop for a while. I finally went and got it about a year ago and immediately took it up to my friend Bob's house where he did some mechanical work for me. Also new brakes, new gas tank, a bunch of little stuff to get this thing running. It's been sitting for probably 25 to 30 years. It's actually in decent shape, a lot of little dings and stuff like that, but the car is actually in really good shape and runs and drives. It's got a 4-carbureted motor, carb 3 and 4. This one's not hooked up, it's like a kickdown. Not too sure about these cars, I don't know a whole lot about them. But this one does have factory air conditioning, which is very rare on these cars. The interior is actually in good shape, pretty decent shape. Take a look here. A little tore up on the seats here, on the rear seat back there. I'm gonna take this off the stand and show you a little bit. It is a Monza. Got the shifter up on the dash. Just reverse, neutral, drive, and low. No park, so you have to use the parking brake. If you see my little short on this. Pretty cool little car. Corvairs, you don't see too many of them anymore. It's in really good shape. The key here, let's see, pop open the trunk. New master cylinder, new brake wheel cylinders. Pretty neat little car. So let me see if I can fire this thing up and take it for a little drive. Take it along for a cruise. Let me set this down here. Close these doors up. Let's jump inside. Well, that started right up. That started for like 2 days. Reverse right there. drive, and here we go. Cruising in a 66 Corvair. Some of my old rigs. Hunting camper. This thing runs great. Can't believe how good it rides too. Corvair's got a real bad name for being unsafe by Ralph Nader. But they're actually a really cool car. Park this outside. So I got some work to do on my Dodge truck. New dash skin on it. I said you put this in neutral because there is no park. This is the parking brake down here. Horn works. Awesome little car. Awesome little car. Not sure what my plans are going to be for it. Very cool. '66 Corvair. Also want to give a shout out to my friend Jimmy. If you ever get a chance to look him up, please do. Old Path Fabrications. Jimmy from Old Path Fabrication. He does an excellent job. Please give him a shout out. Subscribe to his channel. Super good guy. There you go. Toby here with 216 Auto Restoration. 66 Corvair. It's gonna have some new paint, new bodywork on it pretty soon. So please stick around and follow along. Everybody, thank you very much and take care.